Welcome to BerryMinder, the next generation alert application. BerryMinder is a tool that will help you keep your life more organized by allowing you to create reminders based on location. Basically, you can create a reminder and assign it a location, adding a third dimension to your typical calendar and alarm clock applications. Let's get started. When the application opens, you're taken to the main reminder screen, which displays a list of all your active and past reminders. This list is sorted based on when the alerts will go off next. As you can see, the next reminder I should be getting is one at 7 p.m. to feed my dog. The reminders in gray are ones that have expired and have most likely already run. By default, when a reminder triggers and is set to never repeat, it will become expired. This allows you to re-enable an expired reminder. If you truly want to delete a past reminder, simply swipe your finger towards the right and you'll be able to permanently delete a reminder. Now let's add a basic reminder. The reminder we will create will be one to remind me to buy milk the next time I am near the grocery store. That way, anytime in the future that I am driving near the grocery store, my phone will tell me to go pick up some milk. First, we are going to click the Add button in the upper right. This next screen you see is where we can edit the details of our new reminder. Let's start by giving this reminder a name to help us identify it. Now let's pick the location, which is the grocery store in our case. Before we continue, let me explain this screen. Here you can choose from your previous saved locations, pick a custom location, or pick no location. Picking custom allows us to view a map to pinpoint where we want this reminder to go off. Picking no location basically means that this reminder can happen anywhere. Since we already have our grocery store saved, we can click that. Next, we can add a more detailed message for our reminder. And that's it. After clicking Save, the reminder is saved, and now we can click back and see our new reminder in our list. Now, the next time we are near the grocery store, our phone will tell us to buy milk. Now that we have a basic reminder taken care of, let's go into some of the more advanced features. Let's make a reminder to wake us up on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 a.m. only if we are in our house. So, just like last time, we click Add. Let's set a name. Now we need to pick our house for our location. As we can see, we haven't saved our house before, so let's click Custom so we can find it. This is our map selector screen. With this screen, you can navigate to find the location you desire. You can use the zoom buttons and drag around the map to find the location in question, or you can use the search tool. Let's use the search tool to find our house. After clicking OK, the address will be displayed in our map screen. Now that we found our house, just click Select. Since this is a custom location, the application will ask you if you want to save this location for future use. Since our house is most likely a place we'll use quite often, let's save it. After saving, we are taken back to the familiar reminder edit screen. Let's set a message telling us to take a vitamin, just for an extra reminder in the morning. Now, before we finish, we need to set some time and repeat settings. This screen might seem overwhelming at first, but it's rather simple. Date is just the date when we want the reminder to go off. Since we want this alarm to start repeating starting on Monday the 21st, we simply select that using the selector wheels. Cool, right? Next, start time and end time are two times between which the reminder will be allowed to trigger. In our case, we want it to go off at 8 a.m., so we can just set both of these times to 8 a.m. Now, we know we only want this reminder to go off on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so click the repeat setting, select weekly, and pick the days of the week you want. Lastly, end date is nothing more than when we want this reminder to expire. In our case, we want this reminder to never expire, so we can just leave it as never. Save our reminder and that's it. Now, starting tomorrow, we will get a wake-up reminder at 8 a.m. on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday only if we are in our house. If we ever need to edit a reminder, just click on it and make your changes. Remember how we saved home as a favorite location? Click the Locations tab at the bottom of the screen and you can see all of your favorite locations you have saved along with how many reminders there are for each. If we want to edit a location, just click the location and update. These changes will be reflected on existing reminders, so if we change the grocery store to another location, all reminders using grocery store will be updated. Remember, you can also swipe on a location to delete it. This concludes our tutorial. And what do you know? It's 7 o'clock. Time to feed my dog.